Ever felt like project management tools nickel and dime you for every extra teammate? You add a freelancer, another team member, and suddenly your monthly bill jumps. Frustrating, right? Well, today we're diving into ClickUp, a project management platform that's been making waves for its feature-rich approach. But here's the real kicker. ClickUp offers a free plan. That's right, free. But there's always a catch, right? So the question is, with ClickUp's free plan, how many users can you actually add? Can you build a project management dream team without breaking the bank? Let's break it down and see if ClickUp's free plan truly lives up to its name. The allure of free. Why ClickUp stands out. Look, there are plenty of project management tools out there. Trello, Asana, Monday.com, the list goes on. But ClickUp has carved out a niche for itself by offering a ton of functionality in its free tier. We're talking unlimited tasks, projects, and even list creation. You can customize workflows, collaborate with teammates, and even throw in some automation for good measure. For freelancers, solopreneurs, or even small teams just starting out, ClickUp's free plan is a goldmine. It gives you the core functionality you need to stay organized and on top of your projects, without the hefty price tag. So, how many users can you actually add? Here's the beauty of ClickUp's free plan. There's no limit on the number of users you can add. That's right, you can invite your entire team, your neighbor's dog, if they're particularly well-trained in productivity, and your grandma who wants to finally master online collaboration. ClickUp's free plan welcomes them all. This is a massive advantage over many other project management tools. Asana, for example, restricts you to a measly 15 users on their free plan. Monday.com lets you collaborate with just 2 other teammates. With ClickUp, you can ditch the user count anxiety and focus on what truly matters. Getting things done. But is unlimited really unlimited? Now, before we all go on a ClickUp free plan binge, there are a few things to keep in mind. While the user limit is truly unlimited, there are some storage limitations on the free tier. You get 100 megabytes of storage per workspace, which might be enough for basic projects with minimal file attachments. However, if you're dealing with hefty documents, images, or videos, that storage space can fill up fast. Upgrading to a paid plan unlocks more storage and additional features like advanced automation, time tracking, and custom integrations. ClickUp free plan. The ideal user. So, who is the ClickUp free plan ideal for? Here are a few scenarios. Freelancers and solopreneurs. If you're flying solo, ClickUp's free plan gives you all the project management muscle you need to stay organized and tackle your workload. Small teams just starting out. ClickUp's free plan is a fantastic way for new teams to dip their toes into the project management world without a financial commitment. You can collaborate, build workflows, and see if ClickUp fits your team's needs before upgrading. Teams with light workloads. If your projects are relatively simple and don't involve massive file attachments, ClickUp's free plan can be a great long-term solution. ClickUp's free plan is a breath of fresh air in the project management world. It offers a surprising amount of functionality and the ability to collaborate with an unlimited number of users. However, storage limitations might hold you back on larger projects. So, the key takeaway? ClickUp's free plan is a strategic choice. If you understand its limitations and it fits your needs, you can build a well-oiled project management machine without spending a dime. But if you have a team of data-hungry creatives or require advanced features, a paid plan might be the better long-term investment. Ultimately, the choice is yours. But with ClickUp's free plan offering so much value, it's definitely worth a try. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.